How to change your iPhone region without losing data. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you change your iPhone region without losing your data. So let's get started. First, open the settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, from there, simply you'll have to tap on your Apple ID name just at the top. Now from here, simply tap on Media and Processes. From here, tap on View Account. Now from this section, simply tap on Country and Region. From here, choose your preferred region whom you want to just change. Simply tap on that. Now from here, tap on Continue. From here, you'll have to tap on Agree at the top right. And from here, you'll be able to add that country or region. For that, you'll have to add your credit or debit card, as you can go with the option None. After that, you'll have to provide your billing address, street, postcode, town or city, as you have to provide your country or region code. After that, provide a valid phone number, and at last, provide the first name and last name. After that, simply tap on down at the top right. After you tap on that, your iPhone country region will be changed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.